Hello, good afternoon. First, I would like to thank the opportunity that Allah gave me, being the first, if I may say, first endorser as Nana Babes. And it's my pride to be part of this family. And I'd like to tell you how Tala is very dependable. When I said, sa Tala, oo ang tiwala. And this, I really tell you, from the bottom of my heart, Madam.
Ito po, Madam Juday.
Please, Julian, thank you for being part of the family. As much as I'm proud of this, and thanking everyone to serve, and Madam C, and really I'm so nervous. But all the way from Laguna, I'm really very proud as Lagunense. And my question is this.
Hindi na muna.
Who? Alright.
Nagkape ka kasi.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. I have two questions.
Yes po. Huwag lang ba?
Yeah. Just say what we do when it comes to honor.
Tala ng bahala sa mga.
First question.
Yes, ma'am.
What made you say yes being a Tala endorser? That's the first question.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, it wasn't hard to say yes to a product or an app, let's say. If it sends the message across people or sa mga kababayan natin to empower them na magkaroon tayo ng mas maayos na patas na laban sa buhay, magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na tuparin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Because we all know naman, di ba? Life is really designed to not be fair. It is designed for us to strive, to survive, and of course, to have dreams. I like what Tala started. Gusto ko yung they take care of everyone around them, especially the trust that people will give them. I like that there's a high confidentiality when it comes to information. These are probably basic things, yeah? But, these are probably maaaring hindi iniisip na hindi importante. But confidentiality when it comes to information, that's number one for me. My trust sa isang kumpanya is you also have to take care of my privacy. And para pag ibigay ko yung lahat ng impormasyon ng buhay ko sa isang kumpanya, hindi basta-basta yun. Secondly, it is the ability to empower the Filipino people to dream. Marami na tayong mga kababayan ngayon na nawawala ng pag-asa sa buhay because life is just so hard already with the pandemic happening, with the floods, with a lot of things happening around us. It's just hard to go into details. Mababash tayo. So, huwag natin isa-isa. We all know what we're talking about. In life, we all need that one glimmer of hope. And I think Tala is that hope. That's why I'm on board for that.
Yes, I agree to that.
Thank you.
Ginawang pang-pageant na yung Q&A. Julia, prepared si Miss Julia. He's so well.
Prepare those shoulders ko.
Tsaka, ang refreshing ng sagot niyo po, no? Yung diretsahan. We all know that life's unfair. I love that. It's so refreshing to see that through your lens. Na realistic pa rin tayong lahat. Did you have another question? One more po, no?
Yes.
Okay.
So, I'm just gonna take the opportunity for I'm really so happy, grabe. What other words of encouragement can you give to us people here who is really believing in Tala and as a new endorser now? Can you give me more encouragement that I never would ever regret because I am in a very established company such as Tala?
Okay, with the information that I have for Tala, Tala has been taking care of, they have been in this industry for 8 years already. Hindi ba? Hindi lang siguro madalas na naririnig, but ang isang kumpanya, para tumagal ng ganun reliable nang walang negative issues or anything, it means they're really doing a great job. Second, it gives us the chance, again, I'm going back to what I've said earlier, it gives us the chance to dream and hope. And ako kasi, when I look at a product or look at a company that I'm going to be partnered with, hindi lang ito pwedeng nagbe-benefit ako lang. The benefit that Tala will give to everyone is the benefit to dream, the benefit to be able to finish their studies, the benefit to be able to be responsible and to have that feeling of entitlement na kaya ko pala. Kasi may kasama ako sa laban ko. May powers pala ako because I have Tala support with me. And one I think it's really important that everyone should know, Tala will actually guide you every step of the way. And like ako, kung halimbawa hindi pa ako marunong gumamit ng ganitong mga apps or anything, it is very basic, napakadali niyang intindihin. Even yung mga tao, sabihin natin, naku, hindi ako nakapagtapos, hindi ko ito maiintindihan. Hindi po ako nakapagtapos, pero gets ko. I understand it, no pressure. They will actually help you, make you understand, ito lang yung kaya mo bayaran, o di ito lang muna tayo. I mean, it is something that's always nice that you have a backup plan when it comes to investing, when it comes to loaning, or when it comes to your future. We all have, even the younger ones, I encourage the younger ones now, no? Hindi naman ang maglo-loan, hindi naman to dapat pag may asawa na ako, tsaka ako na maglo-loan. You start your dream when you're young. What po? It is a wise investment when you start investing when you're younger. For the time before you reach your retirement age, you'll be surprised na, ay, ang laki pa nung nagawa nito sa akin. So do not be scared because the Tala app or the Tala company is really designed to help you and very dependable. I mean, it is really what I love most about this app, this lending app, this loan application. Kumbaga, tutulungan ka niya pero hindi ka niya ipipressure. So, just take that risk. Life is all about taking that risk. If you don't take that risk, hindi mo malalaman kung saan ka naman makakapunta rin, di ba?
I think Missy wants to add to that as well.
I just really want to share because for those of you who don't know, Nay Babes is one of our first customers that we featured in a testimonial. Her story is so inspiring. That's why I feel like it's a full circle moment. That she's here asking the first question. You are first celebrity endorser. So thank you very much for asking the questions. And I think you hit a really important spot. So thank you for being here.
Thank you. Encourage mo ba kayo? I feel like you don't really need that much because you're so full of energy and love for Tala.
Yeah, for one, really, I'm so happy that being here and raising the show because it's again my pride in knowing these people who made my life. And I want to tell you guys, Tala is really dependable. Something and somebody you can trust. Kaya hindi kayo mawawala. Tandaan nyo, sa Tala, buo ang tiwala, ngayon, panas na ang laban.
Yun. Buo ang tiwala, panas na ang laban. Thank you very much. Ayan. Feel na feel ko talaga yung love niya. I also want to quickly direct my question to Missy. I know that we have our assumptions. Obviously, you've chosen such a well-spoken representative right now, Ms. Judy Ann Santos, for Tala. But what was your thought process in choosing the newest member? So we can ask Missy and Maurice as well. How did you come about with deciding, okay, I feel like Ms. Judy Ann Santos would be the perfect endorser for us?
So, as you heard in the introduction earlier, like your story from the beginning, I grew up watching. Watching like the evolution of everything that you've become. I've seen how much you've grown, and it mirrors the stories of our customers. Because we always have yung mga interviews with customers. This is not something that's lip service. We always talk to our customers. That's why we found the likes of Inay Babes, you know. And then through their stories, doon namin nakikita yung similarities of their stories with your stories, what you represent,
yung underdog stories and how you fought against all odds kahit unfair ang buhay. And then yung lumaban ka ng patas and having that superpower and then what you stand for, the values that Dallas stands for. I think it's really, really aligned. We also did a lot of interviews with customers who mentioned you. It's like when we were thinking of like who was really the best person to represent Tala, it was affirmed and they see themselves in your story. So that's really how it all came together.
Ganda. Full circle moment na. Did you want to add anything to that?
I can add my personal perspective because even though I've been in the Philippines for more than 10 years, I obviously, in fact, when we first decided, okay, we would like to hire an endorser, like it's a bit of a blank slate for me personally. So the team brought a couple of suggestions to me, and I think when Julianne's name came up the first time, obviously I asked a few questions. It's like, what's the background? Like, what do we need to look out for?
You never watched Mayat Na as a kid too?
10 years ago.
It's on top of,
Years ago.
I think naka-record naman, di ba? Send na lang natin ang
it's
episodes.
on top of my list. But the conclusion, like, there were two main things. One was obviously we were speaking to customers, and the customer's voice was very loud and clear that Julianne is the person we would like to see, which I think in itself is probably the strongest support that we could have seen. And the second aspect was really when I heard about the aspect of trust, like obviously being an accomplished actress, being a mom, so all of that resonated with me personally quite a bit, and I think the choice was pretty clear and easy for us.
Love it, and I think everybody's pretty happy with the choice that they made, yes? And people about that. Okay, any other questions from the press? Feel free to just raise your hand, don't be shy, yes? Over there, yes please.
Hindi ko to kilala.
Hi, July.
Hi, Mars.
Hi. I'm Jeff Fernando for the Daily Tribune. My question is for Julianne. Julianne, sa showbiz, di ba your life is an open book? Napakahaba ng pagsisimula mo. Maaga kang pumasok sa showbiz para makatulong sa pamilya. Can you tell us or can you share yung mga challenging times noon na nakatulong sa'yo kung sino ka ngayon? Can you share those trying times na nalagpasan nyo? Alam mo rin yung sinasabi?
Mahaba yan, Mars. Mas mahaba yan sa parang klaro. No. Yes, tama naman si Jeff. Hindi ako, wala naman akong itinago sa industriyang kinalakihan at minahal ko. And everyone from the industry, especially the people from the press knows that. Especially yung mga kasabay kong lumaki at tumanda na dito. O, sabay tayo ha?
Yes.
Kasama tayo dito ha?
Yes.
And I just really love my work. I'm passionate about this. Struggles will always come naman when you're struggling. I think of me as really just working. Hindi ko talaga inisip ang sarili ko nung bata ako na artista. Alam ko talent ako because I started as a talent. I would, mga anak ako ni Ate Maricel or kapatid niya ako or my first roles before when I was starting, papadami lang talaga ako ng mga bata sa, let's say, sa TVC, papadami ako sa mga batang extras sa pelikula ng Regal Films. And I was really just enjoying. Ang sweldo ko noong araw para sa isang buong pelikula na talent ka was 100 a day. For Mara Clara, it's 1,500 per taping day. And hindi ko question yun. I respected it because I know I have to earn my spot. But in my mind, I thought baka naman hindi ako magtatagal dito. So growing up, it was already stuck in my head. Kumbaga naka-embed na sa utak ko, I have to keep on saving. Because I don't know kung hanggang kailan ako dito. So the first things that I really did was, nung nakapag-impok ako ng 10,000 pesos during the 90s, insurance agad. Kumbaga, tabi agad. Kasi nga feeling ko, hindi naman ako mamahalin kasi hindi naman ako mestiza, hindi naman ako kagandahan. Alam mo yun, kumbaga, I know may talent ako, but at that time, I think it wasn't enough. So struggling your way to be noticed, malaking factor doon yung trust na binigay sa akin ng production at ng mga producers. And at the same time, the amount of work that I put out, feeling ko napapantayan ko naman or nahihigitan ko naman. The struggles lang naman talaga is, at some point you get burned out, you're about to crash. Kasi feeling mo wala ka na talagang pupuntahan. But then again, you pull yourself back up and you tell yourself, no, I can do this. I will beat them in their own game. Kung hindi man ako kasing ganda nila, mas magaling ako sa kanila. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman chinika yun. Sa akin lang yun. Ngayon ko na lang chinika yan kasi feeling ko naman okay lang kasi marami naman kami magkakasama.